Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit going over our apartment rental package, CPNs. We get asked a lot of questions about the CPN. What is the score and how do you do it so cheaply? Very inexpensive package. Right now it's $495. It is going to $550 in a few weeks, but right now it's still $495. That's for a tri-merge CPN, and you get the trade line. So the score is 706, which is pretty high. Will qualify for most apartments and houses. What you'll be getting is the tri-merge CPN with a capital one trade line, as you see here. So it is a $300 limit. It's about a year old, a little more than a year old. Although it's a small limit, it does generate a nice score. And again, the main point is, or the main focus is to get the apartment to get a high score, get in these apartments and houses. So we have over 10 of these trade lines every month that we use for our packages. But it does give a good score. If you have any questions, you must call me. My name is Cameron, 202-213-2218. We have complete packages available for all our renters. If you want a higher end package, we have other higher end trade lines available as well. We have the 750 package, which gives you a higher trade line and an older trade line. That score comes in about 730, 740, somewhere around there. Anyway, just contact us for free consultation. We're always available 10 to 8:30. Subscribe to our trade line list, tradelines.biz, that's tradelines.biz, or consult our website, that's cpn70.com. Thank you. Have a great day.